Enough of the breakup. Girl, let us deal with the makeup. Honeymoon, yeah. Me know all the money.
Didn't I make you feel like you were the only man?
Don't the man in your life.
Didn't I give you everything that a woman possibly can? But for all the love I gave you, it's never enough. But I'm gonna show you, baby, that a woman can be touched. So come on, come on, come on, come on.
So what? You have me under pressure. Despite the fact saying of a life, you give me pleasure. I'm the only man alive possess the keys to your treasure. Significant other on the thriller, you know your pillar. Captivate your mind and make your heart grow fonder. Still you try to find out who's covers that I'm under. So you start to wonder, heartbeat like thunder. Sorry I blow my cover, cause I'm the great pretender. Girl surrender, yeah.
Take it, take another little piece of my heart now, baby. Break it, break another little bit of my heart now, honey.
You gotta give it up, give it up, give it up.
Have it, have another little bit of my heart now, baby. You know you got it if it makes you feel good.
You play detective, boo. Wanna know it's who? Going through my pocket, searching for clues. Trying to follow me, you and your desperate crew. The end of this relationship was long overdue. Now what you did was cute. Girl, you spent the loot. Easy on the tears, oops, man, you saw the suit. Do yourself a favor and find a new recruit. And don't take it personal because you got the boot.
You're out on the streets looking good, and you know deep down in your heart that that ain't right.
Come on, come on.
And the eyes never, never hear me when I cry at night. I tell myself that I can't stand the pain, but when you hold me in your arms,
Yeah.
I say it again. So come on, come on, come on, come on, take it, take another little piece of my heart now, baby. Break it, break another little bit of my heart now, honey. Have it, have another little bit of my heart now, baby. You know you got it if it makes you feel good.
I can make you, you can make me. Any way you want it, baby, we can do it raw. Jump out of the frying pan and straight down into the fire. I'm Mr. Gigolo, your most notorious liar. X amount of love, you get what ladies require.